Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be doing some resin bead casting. This is going to be my first time trying to make resin beads for a bracelet. I'm planning on making this for my mom for a Christmas present. Hopefully it turns out well, since Christmas is tomorrow, but I'm not going to be seeing her on Christmas, so I think I have some time, but still, yep, hopefully it turns out well. Okay, so I have these little bead resin molds that I bought from Amazon, and I will put the link to something similar if I can't find the exact one in the description box down below if you're interested in purchasing them yourself. I also have little glitter pigment pots that I got off of like a resin kit that I bought. You can use any glitter. I have some nail glitter here. I have some alcohol ink over here. My UV lamp. I have a little pipette. It's clear, so hopefully you can see it, to help me squirt it into these little tiny molds, and also a little plastic stir stick, a silicone mixing cup, a silicone mat to protect my table, and some latex gloves to protect my hands. Oops, and also UV resin. This is going to be my first time trying out this new resin brand. This is, let's see, what does it say? Lamino. So, yep, Lamino UV resin. This was the top rated UV resin in the biggest size that I could find, that was non-toxic and also had low odor. So that's why I bought that, and let's just get started. I'm going to do fast forward the whole process because I can't see well and it'll probably take me a really long time. So just to save your time, I'm going to be doing that. I'll show you what molds I may be testing. This one is like kind of like a cylinder flat back mold that's more shallow. This one is a rounded, just a circle mold here, if you can see in the back. And this one is a rounded circle mold that is faceted. So I think this one will be the main one that I really want to see turns out well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be making my resin glitter mix. Again, don't mind that if you're new to my channel. My son is always making noise in the background. So yeah, don't mind that. I'm going to be just pouring some resin. I'm not sure how much I'll need, so I'll probably pour like maybe just a starter amount since I would do various colors. I'm going to pour some into the silicone cup, mix some pigment in, and then use the pipette to put it into the mold. Okay, so I've messily filled up a couple of the molds. I have 2 more to do, and then I will show you what that looks like. Here is the final reveal. Look at these beads. They really do look like gemstones. I think I did a pretty good job getting the color. Yeah, so it's just different alcohol inks, different glitters, different pigments. You can really achieve some realistic looking gemstone faceted beads. Super cool. Alright, I'll show you the next one. Hey, here we go. These the bigger, chunkier faceted beads are so pretty. This one is all the same size beads. My favorite bead would probably be the one with the silver glitter in it. It just looks like diamonds. It's beautiful. Love it.
Can I do it?
Alright, and these are all the round beads.
I finished.
You can make little meditation bracelets, prayer beads. Good job, baby. Gorgeous.
Mama, let me see it.